Picked up this Seeburg LS-325 the other day and thought I might tinker with it a little bit to see if I could get it up and running. And it probably just needs oil, but I'm gonna drop this video and see if anybody can give me some pointers before I do any damage or electrocute myself. So what's happening is when it tries to switch records, it's stuck on the track, it won't move, and then it just goes back and tries to play the record from the same spot. Let me give you an angle showing the other side. So anyway, I'll keep tinkering with it, but hopefully somebody can get to me pretty quickly and let me know what they think. Appreciate you looking.